I will sell the motorcycle. How's it going, everybody? It is the 3rd of July. I am still in Ohio. I'm in Ohio. I'm at a cemetery. There's a place to pull overhead shade. We'll take a little stroll through because it looks like a pretty cool little fountain over there. We were on our way, or I was on my way. I don't know why I say we. My bike and I. We're on our way to the Brandywine Falls. But the bridge is out, and there's no access to the falls anywhere. So, we're not doing that. We're going to head home. 185 miles to home, 4 hours and 10 minutes to back way, 9 o'clock. About 9:30 we'll be home. So, a little bit of a ride yet, but that'll end the trip. Which, by the way, was very expensive for... expensive as in when... Let me turn this down. It's very expensive in the way of hotels. I stayed in 2 and it cost me over $400. So I need to do a better job of pre-planning things. Ooh, pretty. That's nice. I guess maybe have a destination in mind. The days of me just riding around and then getting a hotel and I get tired, I think are going to have to come to an end. I just don't think it's probably the right decision to make. I think it's, even though, of course, everything's more expensive now. I knew that when I left. You know, gas, hotels, food, everything's gone up. So, you know, it's not the world we lived in 2-3 years ago. Maybe, thankfully. Considering 2 years ago we're in a lockdown, so it's better than that. So unfortunately we're not in lockdown anymore, but we're broke. Wow, this place is huge. That was just over here. I'll be damned. Oh yeah, this is yep. This is where it ends. Alright, well, yeah, so anyways, what was I talking about? Oh cool, they got all the flags. Neat. Huh. That's cool. So yeah, everything's more expensive, like I was saying, so I mean, honestly, obviously, therefore, I don't know the words. I don't know the words. There's only one decision to be made. I will sell the motorcycle. I will stop traveling and become a hermit and camp in the woods without a tent, but only a fucking tarp to keep me company. That will be the decision I meant. No. Decisions will have to be made and things will have to be changed, and I will start to have to plan out my trips a little better, if at all possible, and rent rooms ahead of time if I know I'm going somewhere, if again possible. So maybe I can save a little bit of money and then find a better, you know, place to stay. I'm planning a trip to Pennsylvania here soon. I wanted to visit Revzilla. Excuse me. Revzilla and look at their stuff. And so I'm thinking maybe what I had to do is sit down with the computer and figure out my route, whatever way you want to call it, and use that to determine where I might be and where I can reach on a given day in a ride, and then just try not to make it too far away so I'm not pushing myself, but close enough, you know, to be so you can get it so you're not exhausted, but far enough away where you're not staying more nights than you have to. I don't even know if that's really possible, but we're gonna give it a shot. Yep. It's a big cemetery. believe I'm in the town of Brandywine, something like that. But what do you say we hit the road and end this trip and get home? I'm tired. I'd like to sit down and rest for a little while, and this will be good because I'll still have tomorrow off, because tomorrow is the 4th of July. Let's see what the name of the cemetery is before we leave. Lamb of God. I don't think that's the name of the cemetery. Ah, there it is. All Saints Cemetery. That's where we just rode through. So, to where we was, and this is where we're going. Follow me, motherfucker. Yes, Brandywine Road. Let me raise this window up a little bit. Brandywine Road is where I was trying to go. I came from both sides. Both sides are closed at the bridge. No access to Brandywine Falls. Park is closed. So that worked out really well. Oh well. Doesn't matter. We're riding. We're having fun. Oh, yeah, I could take the highway back and probably cut a good hour off my trip. But yeah, these people drive insane down here, man. So, the back way is kind of fun. You get to see some things you don't usually get to see. You know, you get to take some more pictures. The last falls I was at was freaking awesome. It was the, yeah, that one. Picture right here. Had a mill in it. So, I just can't remember the name. I'll put it up here. Name of it, picture of it. Yep, that's it right there. See? Wasn't it beautiful? Went on a long hike there. Yep. Went for a good long stroll. Which kind of tires you out anyway. Damn, fixer upper? Which tires you out because, you know, it's a tad bit warm, and then the sun and heat and riding on the road, and I had a big lunch. Went to Burger King. Yeah, I know. Not my best decisions, but it was tasty. Whopper with fries and zesty sauce. Yum, yum, yum. I shall have to do this again one day when the waterfall is open. Wouldn't that be something? Oh, call a national park. Well, I'll be damned. A national park. Ooh, pretty. National Park Road. My hands starting to hurt. The gloves have a little thing right here, and it bakes your hands in the sun. Dumb design. Painful, very painful. Guess we're going this way.